Hey, what's up, guys? So, we're moving. I have a few days to pack, but I've been super busy, so I haven't really gotten the opportunity to do. So, I finally got the opportunity to do, and this is kind of the result because I thought it'd be kind of fun to do a video about it, because I don't know. I like watching it back, I'm like, I don't know why I'm doing this, but oh well. This is in day 2. I don't know how many days it's gonna be for the video, but this is my second day. I have all day to pack. Yeah, no, so I have all this stuff out here, all this stuff in here, and right now, yeah, I don't know. Oh God, wish me luck. You guys know I really did just take a selfie with my Instax. So I paused the video to explain the baby doll and went on for a minute about him. Pretty much he's a creepy baby doll. We have no clue where he's from. Let's not forget, guys, I do have ADHD. Yeah, big boy bulb. You just witnessed the first mental breakdown. I'm super tired. I have to get ready for work now, so might be more packing later, or might be going to sleep. Either way, I'm sorry. Literally, that last little section of me in the previous video, and all those were the notes I wrote and flashed up on screen. But that was just me, just being like, I have no clue what the hell's going on, and then jamming out to Game Grumps and other gaming songs like Game Grumps, or I had Jacksepticeye going, and I lost it pretty much. So that was what that was. I was sitting right there with the duffel bag. So yeah. Guys, day 2, just thought I'd explain. Grade tabs on up is pretty sure what I had before day 1. Now I have all this stuff. I have all this stuff in here. This is all day 2 stuff so far. It's only 9 a.m. We'll see. Still have to get the TV and all that stuff over there done. Still have to figure out what I'm doing with all the hangers. I'm about to go tape all of those things up there. So yeah, we're having fun. Thought I'd tell you why I have a skateboard. For the longest time I wanted to learn how to ride a skateboard. I still don't know how to ride a skateboard. I still don't know why I own a skateboard. Guess I just found one of those boxes because I was like, okay, what's in these? Because if there's something not important, I can throw them away. Probably just gonna embarrass myself here, but this tennis ball is kind of old. It was signed by Rob Lowe. When I was younger, I got to meet Rob Lowe at a golf tournament here in Iowa, and I went straight up to him and to his face, looked at him and said, "You're dreamy." Made him and the other ladies around his age laugh their asses off. I had no clue that he was an actor or even famous. I just thought he was a good-looking guy playing golf. So I found the reason I remembered why I loved short hair. And her feet are all dirty because last time I used her for a photography prop. But I was obsessed with short hair because of this doll. It was also my favorite doll because it was a posing doll where it has joints everywhere, so you can pose it. And I'll probably leave this girl out when I move because I don't have an easy poser anymore. But I remember she came with 2 wigs. I had bought a 3rd one for her. I have a bright pink one for her, no clue where that's at. I had the short green and brown one, another reason why I love dyeing my hair. And then the other one I have is, that is my aunt. Yeah, no. She had a pink wig, which was this hot mess. The brown wig, which is still a hot mess because I take care of them. And this one, because I never had them on her head because I preferred the short hair. Yeah, I think I might leave these out. Oh yeah, and the one male Barbie doll I had was in here too. It was a prince. I have no clue where his shoes are. Yeah. I'm so tired again. But it's 1:04. We just stopped by the new house and we're like checking it out and whatnot. That's why it took so long from the last clip to now. So I'm gonna post this real quick. Just doing my outro. My hand is pink. Just gonna do my outro. So thank you guys so much for watching. I know this video is kind of weird. There will be a part 2, I think. I'm gonna make at least one more part, so I still have quite a bit to go. But like, I just don't want to make this super long, and I mean, in the editor it's not even that long. Like, the longest parts are literally me talking. Like, just looking at the seconds wise, like, those are the longest parts. But I'm gonna add some music to this, edit it up a little bit, cut it up a little bit, you know, make it look nice for you guys real quick, and then yeah.